Massage isn't just about deep pressure. Sometimes the gentlest techniques can offer the biggest improvements. In this video, I'll show you how rocking, shaking, and vibrations can calm the nervous system, loosen tight muscles, and leave your clients feeling completely reset. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 techniques: rocking, shaking, and vibrations. These are usually taught in a level 3 massage course, and they're really good for pre-event massage as well. Pretty easy to do, but also take quite a bit of energy. So the first one we can do is a rocking technique. Now, if your client struggles to relax on the couch, a rocking technique is just moving that muscle nice and slowly. You can see I've got one hand up here on the lower back. Any movement the client has is going to activate the parasympathetic nervous system and will aid relaxation. The more a client's relaxed, then the better we can use our massage techniques once we start to use lotion. I can use this in the middle of a treatment, or I can use it at the start of treatment. So I do like rocking techniques, and I like to finish with it as well. So I'm just demonstrating here just on the leg. Now if I move to shaking, I'm going to grab the hamstring like so, and I'm going to be moving the hamstring back and forward and sliding my hands down. Now when I teach this in class as an idea to get people to try and do the correct technique, I say if you had some blue tack and you try and make a worm out of the blue tack, that's the kind of technique you're going to use. So from here we're going, I don't want effleurage or movement. You're going to grab the hamstring and you're going to be shaking it from one side to the other. Now my client is an athletic man who sprints, and there might not be quite so much movement as other people. So if you try this on a variety of people, you may get more movement, but it is a sign that they are relaxed. So we've got shaking, we've got rocking, and we've got vibrations. Vibrations I tend to do with 2 or 3 fingers, and I work down specific muscle groups. So at the same time, my hand's going to vibrate like so. So now I'm working down the bicep femoris. I can work down the semitendinosus. Again, it's allowing the client to sense which muscle group you're working on, and that sends an impulse to the brain and can aid relaxation. So what are our 3 techniques? Rocking is a really nice general technique. You can do at any point in the treatment, beginning, middle or end. We've got shaking, grab the whole muscle group and shake that limb. But even though I'm just working on the hamstrings, we can see movement there in the glute and also the calf. You can go all the way down the leg. You can shake the leg like this. And then we've got vibrations, a bit more specific, working down individual muscle groups. So these are all good to get the client to relax, but it does involve some stimulation as well, and it engages with the brain and activates the parasympathetic nervous system. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one.